So that's my kind of story.
Wow, powerful.
And that's Romiromi, that's Mirimiri. As practitioners, we understand you heal the mother, you heal the whānau. Because DNA can alter and change. And we're the holders of DNA, as particularly the wahine. You know, if DNA changes with us, or we carry defective DNA that's been altered from trauma or whatever, then we pass it on to our tamariki. So in Romiromi we can actually change the DNA. DNA can be healed, DNA can be changed. There's research with all the, those prisoners of war, like the Polish and all that, you know, where their great-grandchildren are suffering, their, you know, the memories, the anxiety, the depression, the higher rates of suicide and all that stuff, is because they're carrying that traumatized DNA from an event that happened 2 or 3 generations ago. And just like our indigenous, you know, us as Māori and these people here, that's traumatized DNA that needs healing. We understand that when we're here on this whenua, we're not only healing, there's not only healing happening here, there's healing happening out there, the whenua. And that's not our intention. We don't come here with that intention. It's just a natural consequence of what we're doing here amongst ourselves. Healing happens on the whenuas also. And we feel that, eh? We sense that when we first come here, the energy is like a bit, you know, unstable, a bit ready, a bit, you know, and it takes a while for that to calm down. And the more we do this mahi, the more it settles. It becomes tau. And that's the whenua, that's the land. So understand, there's healing that's happening with all of us here today. Every single one of you will go away on some level with some healing that's taken place.